Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and please do not forget to turn on notifications as I'm sharing everyday great content for you. Alright, in this video we're going to start procedures, but before that I need to add some data to sales table to work with them. Let's open our database. Where is our database? I need to remember name as well. Yeah, DB account. Alright, tables. Alright, let's open our page. Okay, I'm not gonna use query section. This time I would like to use my UI. I would like to show you uh, every type of using MS SQL. Okay, let's open our categories. Edit top 200 rows. Let's open our cities, open clients, employee, products. Perfect. Actually, we don't need the cities. Let's close it. Okay, we need category, client, employee, product, client, employee, product, client, employee, product, category. We don't need category as well. Yeah, close it. Okay, let's add our clients. So we have 6 clients. Okay, every client, if I say every client has 2 items, it's going, or 3 items, going to be, now let's start one to, it's going to be 1 to 6. Employee is 1 2. We have a lot of products. Okay, let's start the client first. So 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 6 6 6 7. Don't we have any 7? Yeah, we don't have any 7. Okay, escape. Just leave it like that. Alright, let's execute all of them. So we have our sales, but just we assigned our clients. So we have 6 clients and we add them all. Let's close it now. So we need to add the employee. So who did this selling? Okay, client 1 has a service from number 2 of employee, and the second one is had from number 2, and the rest of the half of them, the half of the rest of them is going to be served by 1 and 5. Let's say 5 get a service from number 2 and 6 from 1. Oh, what does that mean? Client ID 1. Where is our client? Amanda Taylor. Let's see the employee 2, Daniel Damon. Amanda Taylor had a service from Damien. Is that Damien? Yeah, Daniel Damon. So this is the meaning. But as you can see, even I'm switching tables, looking the names, I had really hard times to remember what the names are. So to figure this out, we're going to create our queries and we merge our tables and we're able to see all the names. Okay, let's add some products. So the first client, the number 1 client, bought, let's say, number 1, number 5, number 7, let's say number 2, number 4. I'm just adding randomly 1 to 7, number 6, number 1, number 2, number 5, number 6, number 4, let's say number 3, number 4, number 3, number 5, and number 2. Okay, those products are sold to these clients by this employee. Let's assign the quantities. So let me have a look which one is expensive and which one is cheap one. 1 to 4 is expensive, 5 to 7 is cheaper items. 1 to 4, okay. 1 and 4, okay. Let's say 1 quantity 2, 5 quantity 25, 7 15, let's 3, let's say 2, 35 for 6, 1 for number 1, 2 for number 2, 30 for number 5, let's say 15 for number 6, 2 for number 4, 1 for number 3, 2 for number 4, let's say 2 for number 3, 60 for number 5, and let's say 1 for number 2. Alright, let's execute and refresh them all. So we need to um, assign total prices and the sold date. Actually, should I add the total? I'm gonna leave empty for um total price. Maybe I can make a calculation while using select table. Okay, let's leave it like that for now. Let's have a look sold date. Um okay, first client, let's say 01.01.224. As you can see, once I type day, month, and year, it's convert it year, month, and day. So do not confuse. Okay, let's say 010124, 010124. Second customer bought this products same day again. Yep. The this is the same second customer again. The third customer, let's say 02 01 24, 02 01 24, number 4 03 0. I'm adding these dates because I would like to use date functions, date functions in future lessons, so I'm keeping those data in my table as well. Okay, so number 4 has purchased the items 01 24, 03 01 24, again 03 01 24, let's say 04 01 24, 24, and 05 01 24. The fifth day of the new year came to the shop our number 6 client and did some purchase. 01 24. Perfect. Let's execute SQL. Alright, should I calculate the total? Let me think a little bit again. Or should I? Alright. Let me try to create a query to make them quickly for the calculation. Let's say we select correct account. Okay. Let's say update TBL sales set total. I'm just going to change the total column. Alright. So let's brackets total, and I'm going to use a subquery. Alright. Select star from TBL sales, TBL sales is it going to be TBL? Yeah, TBL sales, inner join, TBL products on TBL sales dot product ID must be equal from TBL products dot ID. Okay. Anything else should I do? Let's try to run just this section and see the result. Execute. Hmm. Yeah, sales and products has been merged. Okay. I just need to select. I just need to select. I just need to select quantity and um quantity and let me have a look. Sell price. Let's select our query. Let me put them down. Let's let's put down our select query and execute just this section. So we have quantity and sell price, so we catch it. Now I need to multiply these two. Okay, let's have a look at the result now. Let's execute. As you can see, we have result here. All right. So I want my table sales total column updated with the data comes from this select query, right? Perfect. Let's enter this section, delete. Okay. Let's close our subquery and close our update section. But the problem is we have multiple choice here. Hmm. We need to, okay, I need to select, I need to add a here, where, 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 okay, this is from TBSS, right? Set ID equal 1, okay, for ID 1, there's ambitious, so I'm going to add TBL sales dot ID 1, okay, let's put it down, perfect, okay. So let's have a look the result then. Execute 800. All right. So I'm going to set this result to ID equal 1. What is the problem here now? Let's have a look. Incorrect syntax. So we have a set total update TBL sales set total. This is the number. This is the result in parentheses. All right. And another parenthesis for all of them where ID equal 1. Okay. Let's try to delete this parenthesis. No, it's not working. Let's cut this section. I guess we don't have any parentheses here. That's the problem. Yeah, we don't need any parentheses. Okay, let's delete this parenthesis and that one. Not you, sorry. Delete this one. Keep that one. Yeah, it's working now. Perfect. So let's have a look. Let's close this one. So let's have a look. This is our total, right? So we are working for number one sales. Let's function 5, one row affected. Let's execute 800. Let's have a check quickly. Product 1, quantity 2. Edit up 200s. Product 1, 400, and two of them is 800. So we sell to customer 1 2 of product 1. The total price is 800. So we have 16 customer, right? All right. We have 16 customers. Let me have a look. Let's have a look our result again. Execute. So we have 16 customer and 16 result here, as you can see. Now all we need to do is change 2 and 2 function 5, 3 and 3 function 5, 4 and 4 function 5, 5 and 5 function 5. Let's have a look. The numbers are coming. Number 6, number 6. Once we learn how to use loops, oops, so we click something wrong place. Once we learn how to use loops and the other section, I'm going to show them as well. But in this area, we don't know how to use function 5, 8 and 8, 9 and 9, 10 and 10, 11 and 11, 12 and 12, 13 and 13. How many left? 16 until 16. 15 and 15. I guess I skipped the 14, right? Yeah, 14. 14 and 14, function 5. Perfect. Let's make this section command line. Execute. We have all the details here. Okay, let's have a look how many minutes. It's already 17 minutes. Let's quickly jump to the procedure, and do not worry about it. Procedures are really easy. So once we create our procedures, they're going to be stored here. Let me have a look. It must be a stored procedure. Where is the procedures? No, not here. Tables. Where is the procedures? Pup, 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 pup. No. Where is the storage? Weaves, not you, not you. Yeah, programmability. Here we go. This is our storage. Now it's empty. We don't have any procedures. But once we created one, it's going to be stored in programmabilities. Perfect. Before that one, let's create query first. Select star from TBL sales, say function 5, and let's add our tables inside to merge them. Inner join. I'm going to bring it from here quickly. Inner join. This is our products. Let's delete this section. All right. This is product section. I'm just doing copy and paste to make it quickly. We have clients. We have employee table. So all we need to do, change clients copy. All right. Once I got the function 5, all data will be add to next to each other. Let's see all of them. As you can see, all of them is next to each other. All right. But this is not useful because how can I say? As you can see, some of data we have, but some of them we don't have. It's not actually useful right now. Let's make them all. Did we something like wrong? Let me have a look. All right, let's start with the where is my client? I forget the name of properties. Okay, first name, last name. Let's start with the first name. First name, last name. Function 5. Amanda Michael, Amanda Michael, Michael. Hmm, be something wrong here, guys, because I couldn't have all the results. Inner join TBL products, sales client, sales employee. Oh, all right. It's all of them is product ID. Sorry, it's my bad. Let's change this client ID and let's change it. This is the bad result of the copy and paste. Do not do this, please. I'm trying to be just finish quickly. Function 5, as you can, perfect. We received 16-hour sales action in ours from our sales table. Let's bring our product name, function 5. Here we go. Let's bring our brand. What is the name of brand name? Function 5. Perfect. Amanda Taylor bought a fridge, a Siemens fridge. How many? Let's say quantity and let's say total. Alright, anything else? And date. I would like to see the date as well. Oops, sorry. Sold date. Function 5. Here we go. Alright. For future lesson, we're going to format those data as well. Okay, perfect. Let's add something different. For example, I would like to see my name together. Let's add an empty space between these two. Function 5, as you can see, and I just would like to see the last name. Let's use is that substring. So expression, start position, and length. Okay, start position. I want start position. Want 1, and the length is going to be 1. Let's close my substring, and I want to put like a dot to make a short name. Function 5, as you can see, A Taylor, M Jackson, B Brown, D Trum, J Yellow. This is how I would like to see my names. Let's give a meaningful name as customer name. Function 5. This is customer name. Alright, product name. If you would like to see your own property title with the spaces, or how would you like to see? Okay, let's as product. Let's say as brand. Okay, I'm going to see all the property in one line. Perfect. Okay. Quantity is alright. Let's say function 5, product brand, quantity total, sold date. Let's say just date. Function 5. Perfect. Alright. But every time when I need those information every time, should I type these whole queries? It's quite long, right? So that's why we're using procedures guy. To make a procedure, all you need to do after creating your query, you just need to add create procedure. Let's give a name for procedure, sales, for example, action. It's a random name for now, and you're going to add s. So once you execute this query, it's going to be saved as a procedure. All right. let's function 5, command completed successfully. Let's make this section command and have a look our procedures. Programmability, stored procedures, refresh. As you can see, our sales action here. Right, if you would like to modify it, right click on it and click modify. Okay. By the way, you can while you're creating your procedure, I suggest you to clean your page, because if you remember, this is our previous query, just comes here as a command line. It doesn't matter, it doesn't affect our procedure, but it makes dirty of your procedure. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that, but uh, next time if you're doing your own procedure, just keep your page clear. Okay, so all you need to do is just change whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna add name. I'm gonna add name. Let's say client name. I'm ready. Let's function 5, command completed successfully. Close it. Sorry, not you. Okay. Okay, close it. Should I save this one? Actually, we already have one. No, I already have one query. I'm not gonna save it, no. But when I see the again, as you can see, it's changed. Perfect. Let's close it. Procedure is created. Now all you need to do is bring it to call it. To do that, we using execute, and the name of your procedure is sales action. That's all, guys. Just function 5. Here we go. Instead of using this whole long query, you just using execute sales action, and you can also use exec. It's a shortcut of execute. Doesn't matter which one are you using. Okay, so function 5, it's the same. As you can see, this is how we creating, how we updating, and how we calling our um, procedure. Okay, by the way, you don't need to go to your procedure and like unmodify it. You can do, if you have your main procedure, okay, just change this create to the alter, it will be okay. All right, let's make this section command line again. um so let's delete this sales action, but I don't want to delete this procedure. I'm gonna create a new one for a test purpose. Create procedure test as select star from TBL, let's say cities. All right, let's say function 5. Perfect. Here we go. Test procedure here. Let's see our procedure function 5. Here we go. This is our cities, sorry, categories. And all you need to do is using drop keyword. Procedure test function 5. It's gone. Let's refresh. As you can see, it's gone. Drop, alter, and create. Same as DDL command, guys. Okay, what I taught you in the beginning of lesson, creating our tables and database. All right, let's make this comment again. Let me see how many minutes have been done. It's 30 minutes. I'm going to continue. I'm not going to stop it here. I'm going to show you how to use our procedure with parameter. Okay, I am going to let's let me have a look. I'm going to use this query again. All right, perfect. Now I'm going to add a filter. Okay, where, where? Let's see. Let's make a filter according to the city, right? Let's city ID equal. I'm gonna add a subquery. Select star from TBL cities, where um what was the name? Is the title or city? No, is that city? City name. All right. City name. City name equal. Let's say Birmingham. All right. Let's say function 5. Where is the problem? Okay, we bring too many data for one column, so I need to add here ID. So I need an ID which is belong to Birmingham. As you can see, these are Birmingham sales. Okay, how can I assign this city name to a variable? It is really easy to do that. Create procedure sales action by city as actually should I use declare first to assign a variable we use an at sign and let's say give a name, for example value, all right, and it must be varchar, let's say 35, all right, and s, and I'm going to add this value here. Perfect. It means while I was calling my procedure, I'm going to add a value and its value assigned as a city name here, then it's going to work. Let's function 5 completed successfully. Refresh, says action by city here. Let's make command line. Let's call our procedure now. So sales action by city, the value is going to be Birmingham. Function 5, this is the result. If I say, let's have a look our cities. Where is my cities? Oops. If I say London, let's see the London result. Function 5, this is our London sales. The logic is simple, guys. Once I type here the city name, it is assigned here as a value, a variable value, which is I gave the name. You can change it another name with another name, or you may write here city, right? Let's change it. Modify. Let's make it city. City. Function 5, all done. Close. No, don't need it. Let's say Manchester. Function 5, here we go. This is our Manchester sales. This is how the procedures with the parameters is working. I hope and I assume you understand how they are working. Let's make a comment. This line, let me have a look how many minutes. already 35 minutes. I think this lesson is okay. Next lesson, actually, I was thinking to go through with triggers, but we have a missing subject about dates times. I would like to create a new video about datetime functions. Hopefully we're going to go through with the datetimes, guys. Okay, let's save our query. Control S, MS SQL query list for procedure. Save. Perfect. Let's push our changes to our local repository, cd desktop, cd MS SQL, check out dev. All right. Let's commit our changes. --m procedure lessons git commit --m. Perfect. Let's git check out main, git merge with dev. Let's have a look. This is procedure lessons. Perfect. Let's close that one. Perfect. All right. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you crush the like button, I will be really appreciated. It really motivates me to create a new content. And if you have any questions, do not forget to drop comment below the video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.